Swami Vivekananda Rural First Grade College, SVRFGC, a reputed institution under Swami Vivekananda Rural Education Society, SVRE Society, established in 1963, has opened admissions for the academic year 2025. Located in Chandapura, Anekal, Bangalore 560081, the college is affiliated with Bangalore University and approved by AICTE. It is also accredited with NEAAC or grade, affirming its commitment to delivering quality higher education. The college proudly showcases a 20 years of academic excellence badge, reinforcing its long-standing contribution to higher education in rural and semi-urban Karnataka. This legacy signifies trust, growth, and continuous improvement in educational standards. Celebrating university gold medalists who have brought prestige to the college by securing Bangalore University gold medals. This is a significant academic distinction awarded to top performing students by the university. The medalists highlighted are Meena M, 20 PAC 41106, Hema Kumari, 20 PAC 41061, Veena Shakunavali, 20 PAC 41092. Achievements serve as an inspiration for incoming students and a testament to the college's academic capabilities. Courses offered. Admissions are open for the following undergraduate programs: Bachelor of Commerce, BCom, Bachelor of Business Administration, BBA, Bachelor of Computer Applications, BCA. These programs are structured to provide students with the skills and knowledge needed for professional success in the fields of commerce, management, and information technology, respectively. Languages offered for Kannada, Hindi, Tamil, Telugu, Sanskrit. This multilingual approach ensures that students from various linguistic backgrounds feel included and empowered in their learning journey. Scholarships and fee concessions. The college's commitment to making education affordable and rewarding, academic and sports excellence. Academic fee concession. 40% fee concession for students scoring 90% and above in their qualifying exams. 10% fee concession for students scoring 85% to 89.5%. This performance-based incentive encourages students to excel academically and rewards them for their hard work. Sports fee concession. 50% fee concession for students who have represented at the national level. 25% fee concession for those who have participated at the state level. These concessions recognize the achievements of student athletes and promote sports as an essential component of overall development. Special fee benefit. Students progressing from SVR PUC to SVR FGC from the college's pre-university program to degree college are offered a flat fee concession of Rs 3,000. This further strengthens student loyalty and smooth academic transition within the institution. Campus life and cultural enrichment. A graduation ceremony reflecting successful academic outcomes. Cultural programs and dance performances, which highlight the encouragement given to creativity and cultural expression. Sporting events, showcasing the importance of physical fitness, teamwork, and competition among students, modern education infrastructure, ICT-enabled classroom, well-equipped library and digital library, wide study rooms, industrial visits, certificate and add-on courses. To enhance employability and skill development, the college provides several value-added certificate and add-on courses, including life skills, communication skills, Excel, analytics, Tally Prime, GST payroll management placement training. These courses are structured to complement academic learning with practical, job-oriented skills that align with industry expectations. Training and placement partners. SVRFGC has established strong ties with numerous reputed companies and financial institutions to facilitate smooth placement pathways for its students. Training and placement partners include Muthoot Finance, HDFC Bank, Axis Bank, Capgemini, ICICI Bank. Such partnerships ensure that students have access to on campus interviews, internships, corporate training, and job placement support. Contact information. For further inquiries or to begin the admission process, prospective students and parents can reach out via phone numbers 08027 8319 00 960600 9896. Email svrfgcollege@gmail.com.